Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Jennifer Bowman with Olympia Piano, and I just want to wish you a happy new year and let you know that if learning the piano or improving your piano skills is on your list this year as one of your goals, then I would love to help you achieve that goal. My channel is expanding a little bit, and I want to tell you a few exciting things, but before sharing that news with you, first I'd like to say thank you. Thank you to all of you all around the world who watch my videos, who take the time to contact me, to write to me in the comments, to ask questions, or to share your experience. I appreciate you. I also appreciate those of you who are subscribers, those of you who share my channel, those of you who mention at Olympia Piano in your social media, and those of you who donate to this sort of content creation. It does take a long time to produce these videos that are packed with detailed information, so I appreciate those of you who have sent me something through PayPal or through the YouTube Super Thanks, which is just right here on YouTube. Thank you so much. So now, here are the announcements. First of all, I have completed my first full tutorial. This took a long time and a lot of heart and effort to do. It is on Chopin's Waltz in A minor, that's this piece. And I would say this tutorial is appropriate for pianists who have maybe had about a year of piano, to advanced pianists or piano teachers who want to dig into this piece a little bit more. For a minimum requirement, I would say you need to be able to play hands together, one rhythm in one hand, one rhythm in the other hand. You need to have a basic understanding of the pedal, dynamics, and articulation to make this investment worth your while. A little bit about the course. There are 3 sections in the course. The first is a refresher section with a lot of basics, and so this is geared toward people who are new to the piano or people who are coming back to the piano. So we've got the score, we've got the staff, ledger lines, how to do the pedal, what are subdivisions, and that sort of thing in section 1. Section 2 is extremely methodical, 4 measures at a time, notes, fingering, rhythm for the whole entire piece. It's a 56 measure piece, and that's how it's organized, right hand, left hand together. And then the third part of the tutorial is the advanced technique section, where we go over certain wrist motions, if you're going to be dipping your wrist or rolling your wrist over. We go over what pedaling I think is best. We go over techniques in which you can create the dynamics, beautiful lines, articulation, and tempo rubato, which is the pacing. The course itself is over 100 videos, almost 5 hours of instruction time. There are printable PDFs, and the entire course costs less than a 1-hour private lesson with me. So you will have access to all those videos online. And also there's going to be a members community where people can ask questions, and I personally will respond to the questions, maybe even live events moving forward. I'm not sure how that's going to work yet. Through the end of February, I have a special discount code, which you can find in the description, if you decide to make the investment in this beautiful piece. So if it has always been your dream to play that beautiful piece, invest in this course and learn it with me. I would be honored. The second announcement is there's going to be a members only section of the channel. And in that members only section, we are going to be going through this Alfred's Adult Beginning Piano Book. You have to order your own copy to participate, and I think this is one of the best books out there. I've taught it for many years, and I would love to help you realize your dream of playing the piano through this course. Some of you may be wondering why I'm doing a membership for this particular course when my history has been hundreds of free videos. And the honest answer is I've thought a lot about this. And the thing is, from my experience, if you are paying for something, you are most likely to follow through on it. It happens to me at the beginning of the year. Every year I want to get more fit. So what do? I download the fitness app. And usually it will start with a free version, but then if you really want the information, then you have to do the paid version, and then I actually do it. It is the same with the piano. So if you're paying a small monthly fee to be in this membership group, you are more likely to do it. And in turn, I'm more likely to follow through on my end of the bargain, because with the other videos, I can just post them when I have time or when I feel like it. But if I know that I have a community out there of people who are eager to learn this material, I will hold up my end of the bargain by posting every few days, just like I said. There's still going to be lots of free content. I'm finishing up the advanced technique videos. Those are the 4 octaves. I have 9 of those left. Then I also need a few more videos done on the Orange Dozen a Day books. Right after that, I have the Chopin Nocturne in E minor, the tricky section in that. So I have lots coming up in the free category, as well as the hundreds of other free videos that are out there on my channel. And then the final announcement is I've also had some requests to make some of my more popular content available to download off. Because my audience is worldwide, not everyone has immediate and consistent access to the internet. So that's why I'm making this content available. There will be a small fee for it, but what this will mean is you can take the videos that you've watched on YouTube and download them to your personal device for your personal use. And this is going to include the Dozen a Day series, and I've also had a request for the Chopin C-sharp minor, the 30-day overview, plus the 3 really long videos that accompany that piece. So if you're still here with me at the very end of this video, those are all of my announcements. I'm very grateful you are choosing to do some of your piano journey with me. And as always, I love to hear from you. Please let me know where you're from in the comments. And thank you for watching.